if you look up to the facade material used over there, that is masharibra, and it's essentially a lattice segment part of the exterior wall, which allows nice amounts of light to come in and blocks the really harsh light, so you get these really unique finishes inside. And that finish actually dates back to the Ottoman times in the Egyptian era. The ensuite for this bedroom, again, tons of natural light. This is why it's my favorite room, because you're in the space and it almost feels like you could be in Bali with the jungle right next to your bathroom. Continuing to explore, and this is what makes the view and the dancing sunlight down on the ground floor so amazing, because above me on the next level of glazing is the water, and so yeah, you can look all the way down and just makes the home flooded with natural light.